Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore. Have you ever wondered if animals all over the world are trying to tell us something about the future? It might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie. But there have been countless reports of animals behaving strangely. From whales changing their migration patterns to birds acting erratically. It's as if they know something we don't. Our journey begins with the giants of the ocean. Whales. Over the past few years, there have been noticeable changes in the migration patterns of various whale species. They've been found in unusual locations, far from their typical migration routes. But what's causing this shift? Whales are highly attuned to environmental cues. Changes in ocean temperatures and the availability of food sources can lead to alterations in their migratory behavior. Some speculate that this could be a sign of climate change, as these magnificent creatures adapt to shifting ecosystems. Here you see footage of sheep walking in circles for 12 days long. Some suggest that the circle-walking sheep might be the result of secret government experiments, hidden technology, or even paranormal activity. Now, let's turn our attention to the skies. Birdwatchers and scientists alike have been observing erratic behaviors in avian species. From disoriented migrations to flocks abandoning their nesting sites. The questions arise. Do they possess some secret knowledge? Birds rely heavily on their internal compass, which can be influenced by geomagnetic fields. While we can't definitively say they predict natural disasters, their unusual behavior might be a response to changes in these fields, which can be associated with impending earthquakes or storms. Moving on, it's not just whales and birds. Many other animals have exhibited puzzling behaviors. Some have fled their habitats, while others have sought refuge in unexpected places. Could they be warning signs of future disasters? We must be cautious not to anthropomorphize animal behavior too much. However, animals do have finely tuned senses. They can feel vibrations, detect changes in air pressure, and smell gases that we can't. So, while it's a tantalizing idea, it's difficult to prove that they're predicting natural disasters. In this video footage you see hundreds of birds fall from the sky in Mexico. It's not just the incident itself that's raising eyebrows, it's also the symbolism attached to it. Birds are often seen as messengers in various cultures and religions. Could there be a deeper, symbolic meaning behind this event? Birds have long been associated with freedom, communication, and spirituality. The unusual event could be interpreted as a message, a sign of imbalance in the natural world, or a warning that we should pay attention to our environment. So, while it remains unclear whether animals can predict future events, there's no denying the importance of monitoring their behavior. Understanding these changes could help us learn more about our planet and the intricate connections between species. In the end, the idea that animals worldwide are sensing something we don't remains a tantalizing mystery. While scientific evidence is limited, the observations are a reminder of how closely linked we are to the natural world. Whether they hold secret knowledge or not, the strange behaviors of animals worldwide continue to inspire wonder and curiosity.